What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So you guys probably didn't know, maybe you did, I've wanted an S10 Plus ever since it came out. So about an hour ago, I did just that. So I'm just going to unbox it today. The full review will come later once I've had it for a longer period of time. Maybe I'll give it another week, then I'll do my full review on it. Alright, well anyway, I'm just going to go over the features of the S10 Plus and change some settings and stuff, set up a fingerprint because it has the cool ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. I know you guys probably don't know what that means, but yeah, so we'll set it up and it'll be fun. Okay, so there's the unboxing. Obviously I already have the phone set up because I did that at the Verizon store. There was a kind of like a plastic cover on the back there too, but he peeled it off at Verizon, so can't do that now. He also gave me this cloth to like clean off the screen or clean off the back, because the back attracts fingerprints really easily. Got this clear case that I'm actually gonna put on right now because I don't think that'd be a bad idea. In the box you get your Samsung adaptive fast charging. This is like the little USB Type C male, USB Type A female. This is going to be the cable for the fast charger. Not very long at all, actually. I might use a different cord from my other fast charger that I have. So that's going to go right like that, and that'll plug right in to the phone. Just like that. And obviously it's not going to charge because it's not plugged in. There's a headphone jack on the Samsung, which is good because I like the headphone jack. So then I'll be able to... Nice, that was pretty cool. But I like the headphone jack because I'll be able to like plug my SteelSeries headphones into the headphone jack. So that's good. I'd rather do that than buy an adapter. They also come with included different sized ear tips if you have small or large ears. I assume the medium ones are on right now. In the top part of the case is just your SIM ejection tool, and then like all your manuals and everything that I don't want to take out right now. But that's what's in there. So now I'm going to put it back in. If I ever need to eject my SIM, that's where it'll be. So here we go. Okay, now we're going to look more at, hold on. So now we're going to look more at like what's on the phone. So there's the always on function, just double tap, swipe up. You can see I'm on Snapchat already. So I'm going to go home right now. We can also see we have our tabs here. I'm going to close out YouTube, although I will access it later. These are some apps that I've already re-downloaded, but I'm actually going to go ahead and download some more now. We can see these are apps that I've had previous on this Google Play account. I just need to download again. We're going to go into settings almost immediately. Which I put right there. We're going to go to the display, and we're going to click screen mode, and we can make it vivid with warmer colors or cooler colors. I'm just going to leave it there for now. We also have the advanced settings of like the RGB, red, green, blue output and stuff. I'm going to put it on vivid, natural, vivid, natural, vivid. I'm just going to keep it on vivid for a second, see if I can tell a difference. I can definitely tell a difference. There's a natural and then vivid. Probably just going to keep it on natural for now though, just because I don't want to like mess anything up too bad. Next I'm going to come into screen resolution. You can see it's preset to 1080p, which is what most phones are set to. But I'm actually going to bump that up to 1440p. We're going to apply. I mean, you can't really tell that much of a difference. Like, things still look really sharp. I could watch a YouTube video actually. Also, we can test out the speakers here. Not now, but soon.
Proof improves on this a bit with a slightly more premium screen backing and less red, but it still falls into the trap of looking like something that a high schooler might think looks.
So they are very good speakers, actually. They're very loud, and they are dual speakers, so one comes out there, one comes out the top. So I'm going to go ahead now and actually put it back to 1080p because I don't want to use too much battery. I know I haven't used much, but I also have Bixby. There is a dedicated Bixby button right there, but Bixby is actually like pretty bad, so I'm actually not going to use Bixby. So now we're going to test out the cameras, and I'm probably going to have to move my phone so you can actually see the cameras. As you can see, there's 2 front-facing cameras and then 3 back cameras right here. Okay, so we're gonna come into the camera app. Sure, we can turn those on. I don't really know. So you can see this is the normal. You can see there's kind of a reflection in the screen, but yeah, that's normal. It's pretty good. We also have a live focus. I mean, obviously I can't really do that right now. That's like a portrait mode. We have video mode, which kind of zooms in a lot to my monitor, but it's very, very steady. We have super slow-mo, and then we have slow motion, and then hyperlapse, which I'm pretty sure is time-lapse. We also have a pro mode, so this is like for pro photographers, I guess. We have a panorama, so obviously you can see, and then we have food. So that's like a feature you're never going to use. Basically, it'll find food for you and then focus on the food. I tried it earlier with my Mo's. Kind of worked. We can see we have an ultra wide, and you can see how much wider that really is. We can see things on this screen that the camera can't see. You can see we can see out to the speaker right here. On this, we can see past the speakers to the PC. So yeah, it just kind of distorts things, as you can see, if you're that close. Telephoto is like what it crops to in video mode almost. It crops way into the monitor. So I'm just going to stick with the normal lens right now. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Front-facing cameras looks great too. Looks really good. It's also a wider angle if you want to fit more people in. Looks like it'll fit a quarter of a person in maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the cameras. We have actually live focus, which won't really work right now, and then video. So yeah, pretty good. So another thing that I'm also going to do that I kind of forgot that I could do actually, but is really cool, is set up a fingerprint. So basically on this, you can see we have on security, you can click fingerprints, continue. We're going to do, okay, well, we should probably try a password too. Hold on. So you can see we're going to continue, and we're going to go all the way around on the outside, and now we have our fingerprint added. Done. So I'm actually gonna try it. Let's see. Ooh, that is cool. We can do it with it off too. I'm just gonna have to find. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get used to where it is on the phone. There we go. I got it first try that time. But okay, so yeah, that's just another feature I wanted to go over that's really cool. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, be sure to go down, drop a like, make sure you subscribe, and then after you subscribe, turn the post notifications on so you can see every time I upload. Right when I upload, you can click on the notification, and then you can scroll down and try and comment first. That brings us to our shout out. I'll put it in when I'm editing because I haven't posted the last video yet, so we'll see. So yeah, that's actually all. Again, as I said, my full review will come once I've actually used the phone for a while. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, peace out.